Hi there. How about an eggless lemon blueberry cake made with yogurt or dahi? It's moist, soft, and melts in the mouth. Watch the video and you'll be able to make it perfectly for tea time. Easy peasy. Did you subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for the latest updates? For this recipe, I am using a 7-inch round cake tin. I have cut a butter paper to size just to fit the bottom. Brush the cake tin with oil or melted butter. Then line the bottom and the sides with butter paper and then brush it with oil one more time. Some lime or lemon for their zest. I'm using a microplane. To get the zest, I only want the green part, not the white one. So that's about 1.5 teaspoons of zest. 1.5 cups of maida or all-purpose flour. Add in half a teaspoon of baking soda and 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder. You could also add in a pinch of salt and then mix it well using a whisk for a minute or sift it 2 to 3 times. Reusing utensils always saves water, so I am just using this cup to squeeze out some lemon juice. This is the lemon from which I have taken the zest. I am using 1/4 cup of melted butter and 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. However, you could do the recipe only with half a cup of vegetable oil. I am using my stand mixer today and this is my stand mixer bowl. I'll add in 3/4 cups of sugar. You could use powdered sugar or breakfast sugar and 1.5 to 2 teaspoons of lemon zest. So I'll run the sugar with the lemon zest so that it releases all its flavors. I wish you could smell the intense lemon flavor. I'll add in a cup of dahi, curd or yogurt. And mix it till the sugar has completely dissolved. You could do this with a handheld whisk or an electric beater as well. The sugar has dissolved completely. Let's add in the rest of the ingredients. The oil and butter mixture. The lemon juice. 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence. And then just mix it till everything is well combined. That's the mixing done. Now we'll add in the dry ingredient, that is our flour mixture, in 3 parts and fold it in gently. If you replace the lemons with oranges in this recipe, you'll get an orange cake. What other cake flavors do you enjoy? Let me know in the comments. I'll add in 1/4 cup of milk, that's at room temperature, and fold it in to get the right consistency. You could add in a bit more milk if you feel the need. The mixture should be really fluffy and light. This is the right consistency for the batter. I had some dried blueberries with me that I want to add into the cake. So this is about half a cup of blueberries. Add in a tiny bit of flour and toss it up. Add the blueberries into the batter. Gently fold it in. If you like the recipe, share it with your friends and write your feedback in the comments. That's ready to be baked. Pour it into the pan. My oven is heating up at 170 degrees. Few more blueberries on top. Bake for 20 minutes or until it's done. The cake's out of the oven and the knitting needle comes out clean. The cake has cooled down completely. Let me just cut out a slice. That's perfectly moist inside. Serve it plain or with whipped cream on the side. Perfect at tea time. Enjoy!